Chill out, fair maiden. You're safe now. So swears Sir Grinder Boardslide.
Verily, there doth be no knight more brave than thee.
Or Gnarly.
You're not gonna have all the fun alone, Boardslide.
Ow! That always hurts my thumb!
Rule is cool.
Allow me to introduce my companions, Gogglotz Hammerfist the Wise and Monster Pup von Drullenstein.
It's an honor.
Nice to meet you.
Don't worry, milady. Lord Stubborcus won't show his face with us here, so swears the wild grinders of Gnarlycraft.
I won't show you my face, so how about my foot instead? Hasta la vista, wild grinders of Gnarlycraft!
Forsooth, who hath stepped in? Loser.
Man, we never get past Lord Stubborcus. Dude's always coming in and stepping on us.
Actually, last time he barbecued and ate us. And before that, he barbecued but didn't eat us.
And before that, he barbecued us, stepped on us, and then ate us. And before that...
I get the point.
I've heard that no World of Gnarlycraft player has ever defeated Lord Stubborcus.
Well, this dog ain't sleeping until I level up high enough to take him down. I don't care how long it takes.
We're with you, Meaty.
That's it. I'm going to bed.
Wait, Meaty. I may have a way we can defeat Lord Stubborcus. My Avatar Venator. It'll allow us to control our Worlds of Gnarlycraft avatars with thought instead of the keyboard, so our reactions will be instantaneous. It's still in the experimental phase, but I'm confident it will work.
Hopefully better than your skate helmet. Oh.
What? You came back down? And it's not like anything disastrous could happen.
Yeah, right.
Wrong setting. Right setting, wrong friend.
I kind of like it. Lil Rob looking all cute and furry.
That should do it.
What was that thing you said about nothing disastrous happening?
What? Guys! What just happened? Where am I?
Lil Rob's been teleported into the World of Gnarlycraft game!
Since Robbie's not using his room anymore, it's all mine, baby. Say hello to my new walk-in closet and private day spa.
Lil Rob, I have terrible, terrible news.
Let me guess. Your experimental hack got me stuck in the World of Gnarlycraft game, and you have no clue how to get me out of here.
Yeah. That's exactly what he was going to say. You know what to do, dude.
I'd hoped we'd never have to use this. Wild Grinders.
Identity confirmed.
Nothing'll help.
I hope this doesn't mean Robert got himself stuck in a video game again.
And can anyone tell me what is the ciliary body? Yes, Mr. JJ.
Yeah, Teach. That'd be the circumferential tissue in the eye composed of the ciliary muscle and the ciliary processes.
Well done, Mr. JJ. A+.
And you said this class was hard. The day we all feared has finally come to pass. Yo, Teach, I got a split. My friend's stuck in a video game.
Run. Run like the wind, Mr. JJ.
The summons.
Cool. I mean, 'tis a dark day indeed.
I can toot my nose. Ow! Okay. Lil Rob needs us, man. I brought my computer and mouse, man.
Wrong kind of mouse, Jackknife.
And those are just boxes with a computer and keyboard colored on them.
Oh, my dad was using my computer, man. Where's Emo Chris? No time to wait! He can meet us in Gnarlycraft!
You have got to come by and see my new closet spa. It'll be beyond perfect. Once I fumigate the skate weenie.
You can't throw us out, Denise! Lil Rob needs our help! He's stuck in a computer game!
Fine. I'm gonna meet with my interior decorator, but when I get back, you're out of here.
Who summons the wizard, Dr. Heelgood? Now that is an entrance.
Thaddeus of Ninja has arrived.
That's your avatar? Jackknife. That's the best you could do.
Oh, I'm not very good with computers, man. The wild grinders of Gnarlycraft are ready!
I am not putting up with this for the next 5 hours. Who is this clan?
If you only knew.
And you have to be careful, Lil Rob. You're not an avatar, so if anything happens to you, it's real.
That's great to know, considering my avatar gets destroyed every time I play. So how do I get out of this crazy game, Goggles?
Lil Rob, please. We're in Gnarlycraft.
Sorry, dude. Goggle-Lot Hammerfist the Wise. How do I get out of this crazy game?
The one known as Goggle-Lot knows not the answer to your riddle, young Master Little Rob, but I do. For I am...
Jasper Elfish Drunken Photo!
Flying through the land and bringing justice, the king of prince of unicorns. He's got a twin brother named Jamal, but it's a very uncomfortable subject, so we don't talk about him.
I know of a unicorn legend that tells of an elf myth about a chat room rumor about a fellow who was trapped as you are. And the only way he got out was by defeating Lord Stubicus of Castle Narskull.
Hello!
No, the other castle.
I hate living here.
You look familiar. Do I know you?
Nay, no one can truly know the depths of a unicorn soul, and that includes you.
Hey, guys, doesn't he look familiar?
I'll control delete. I'll control delete.
Okay, good luck. See you later. Bye.
Let's roll, Wild Grinders of Gnarlycraft. If Jasper Elfin whatever he said is right, beating Lord Stubicus is my only way out of here.
Brave, oh brave Sir Little Rob, I sing a song of thee. You'll defeat every evil and set our great lands free. Unless
Lord Stubicus stomps you, or crushes you, or barbecues and eats you, or barbecues you and doesn't eat you, or barbecues you and steps on you and then eats you.
What? It's kind of catchy.
Lord Stubicus wins again! 3 cheers for Lord Stubicus! Hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Ho! I smell loser. Sir Lack-a-Lot, bring me the crystal ball of loser gazing.
At once, Lord Stubicus.
Looks like we're gonna have guests for lunch. Fire up the barbecue!
Can we bake a pie too? Oh, yes, a pie!
Yeah, what the heck? Make it cherry.
Or crushes you or purees you or makes you into a smoothie. Or perhaps a salad with little croutons.
This is serious. Lil Rob's not an avatar, so if any of that stuff happens to him, it's for real.
He's not an avatar? Yeah, right. And I'm Lord Stubiclaws. Ho, ho, ho.
With low-cal dressing and bacon bits and blue cheese crumbles.
I may be lawful good, but don't think I won't 7th level fireball your butt.
Almost time for lunch. Eat you later, little Trob. Or maybe sooner.
There it is, guys. Castle Narskull.
You'll never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy.
Do you really think we can defeat Lord Stubicus? No player in the world of Gnarlycraft has ever done it.
Don't have a choice, Goggle-Eye. It's the only way I can get out of Gnarlycraft and back to the real world.
And as you battle for your freedom, never forget that you are real, Lil Rob. If Lord Stubicus defeats you, you will be trapped in this game forever. As the ancient unicorn legend tells of an elf myth about a chat room rumor. Can you cut the noise, please? This is a very important plot point, and I can't even hear myself think with all that hammering.
We kind of got a situation going on here.
What have you boys seen, Robert?
No, man. I mean, ma'am. And he's not trapped in a video game, man. I mean, ma'am. So don't panic.
That's nice. Just tell him dinner will be ready in an hour.
What are we supposed to do now?
Don't worry, dudes. I know where we can find a backup computer.
Where have you guys been?
Long story.
Go, defeat Lord Stubicus, fulfill the prophecy, and return home. What? Why are you looking at me like that?
Are you sure we don't know you? Who's your player?
I'm not a player. I'm Jasper Elfin Shrunkenfoder. I'm a computer NPC.
Log out, can't be discovered.
Why are evil, impregnable castles always so evil, impregnable, and castly, man?
It may be crazy big, but there's always a fatal security flaw if you just know where to look.
I think I know where to look.
And there you go. Okay, wild guardians of Gnarlycraft, we hit Lord Stubicus fast and hard. Here's the plan. Goggle-Eye, you use intimidating shout.
Confirmative.
I'm fueling up for a level 10 gas cloud.
The good doctor shall cast fortuitous omen.
Give me a quick number crunch on this, Goggle-Eye.
I'm coming up with 32.33, repeating, of course, percentage of survival.
That's better than we usually do. Okay, guys, before we charge in there, we have
Let's
to...
do this! That is some ninja Jenkins!
Come on, Guardians.
Guys, over here. Meet my new friend, Leroy.
Magnanimous of Ninja Go, Lord Stubicus.
Little troll, so nice of you to join me. But why the big rush? Sit back, enjoy yourself. You're just in time for the show. It never gets old.
I'm not saying it's obsessively creepy or anything, but why does everyone look like me?
Because I like all my servants to be losers, you loser!
You're Lord Stubicus? You're the guy who keeps kicking our online butts? You? I mean, you?
Actually, it's pretty obvious when you think about it. I mean, Lord Stubicus.
Wonder how long it took him to come up with that name. About no seconds. It's a rat awesome name! Not like Monster Hunter, Poopy Stain, or whatever you call yourself! I'm gonna make sure
Low-level losers are wiped off the Gnarlycraft server forever, starting with
you, little troll.
Look, Stuffer, I hate to say this, but I need your Stuffer, I need your help. I'm not an avatar. I'm really me, and I'm stuck in the game.
You're stuck inside this game for real? Come on! How come you get to do all the cool stuff? Daddy! I want to be stuck in a game for real too! Poor little troll. Don't worry, I'll help more for you. But first,
you gotta dance!
voice control.
Lackey! This piece of junk won't work!
Just push this button for the voice control, Mr. Stupford, sir.
Ow! Get your greasy fingers off my keyboard! You flunked out flunky!
What to do? That's better. Dancing time!
I'm not gonna dance, Stubford.
No problemo, Waymo. Then, let's get ready to spellcast!
You're done, Lord Stomachus. You'll never defeat the combined might of Wild Riders of Gnarly Craft, man!
Goldfish jackknife, bubble attack.
I'm shaking in my bowels.
No! Regenerate! Regenerate!
Nobody swallows my spell. Okay, you win.
It never gets old.
The prophecy has been fulfilled! Your suffering is over. No longer must you walk the lands as outcasts, scarred forever by the evil magic of Lord Stomachus.
You have no idea how close I was to deleting myself.
Now what? We defeated Lord Stubachus like you said. How do I get out of this game?
You must all don magical unicorn horns and do exactly as I tell you. Now, neigh like the great unicorn king, Roziel Nerfherder Morningstar.
Dr. Hillgood is not me.
Do you want Lil Rob to go home or not? I can't believe you guys fell for that. That's the oldest unicorn trick in the scroll. Actually, I have no idea what to do next. No one's ever gotten this far. But I'm open to ideas.
What? What about the unicorn legend, the elf myth, the chat room rumor?
Come on. When was the last time something you read in a chat room even came close to being true?
Who's up for some unicorn burgers?
Track Hucksterball? What are you doing in Gnarly Craft?
Doing what I do best, kid. Making money.
Daddy, I was about to sign in as a dual-class 57th level warlock troll and kick Little Trob's butt.
We have really got to get you some real friends, son. I've got great news, kids. I just bought Gnarly Craft.
The company that owns the game?
No, the place. The whole online realm. Every last cottage, dwarf, and dweeb, it's all mine now. And I'm turning this place into a Gnarly Craft Supermall website. So run along and go roll dice in Mommy and Daddy's basement. If you're not already down there, I'm officially canceling your World of Gnarly Craft accounts.
You can't! Lil Rob is...
Why isn't this thing working? Lesson learned. Never order anything online, kid, unless it's from Track Huxtable's Gnarly Supermall, the future of online shopping.
That thingy won't let you cancel my account because I'm not an avatar. I'm real. And I'm stuck in this game.
Correction, you're stuck in this mall. Hey, maybe you can keep an eye on the place for me. Make sure no elf nerds sneak back in. It pays big gnarly bucks. Just jump a few times and they're all yours. And look out for the dancing mushrooms. I'm out of here, kids.
Guys, I can't be stuck in an online mall for the rest of my life.
Don't worry, man. I promise to visit when I buy digital socks.
I do believe Track Huxterball gave us the solution to our problem. But I warn you, Lil Rob, this might tickle.
Gnarly Supermall, the world's most gnarly online supermall.
Amazing! It worked! Lil Rob was back! Hey, welcome back, man! It's good to be home and everything back to normal.
I should probably warn you that not everything is back to normal.
Well, it can't be worse than being stuck in a video game.
What?
No! Oh, yes, it can.
Hey, maybe we can get some free pedicures while we're here.